Hello, my name is Christof Plothe. I'm an osteopath and naturopath and part of the steering committee of the World Council for Health, which is a global coalition and is calling after its first call in 2021 again with the help of this event for an immediate moratorium of COVID mRNA vaccines. We were told they were safe and effective. The evidence reveals a different story. These were the fastest vaccines ever approved, bypassing standard 5 to 10 years safety studies. The initial trials were prematurely terminated, eliminating any chance to assess long-term risk, and a different product was used for the approval than the ones that were given to the public later on. They did not stop infection, they did not stop transmission. EU Commission President Ursula von der Leyen personally and overtly negotiated a multi-million euro Pfizer vaccine contract via unofficial text messages, which were then deliberately hidden from the public, constituting a major transparency scandal. Meanwhile, the EMA approved the mRNA vaccines using accelerated emergency procedures, bypassing the standard, more rigorous and complete data review process required for approval and sacrificed procedural integrity, democratic oversight, and safety considerations. The result? We're now witnessing the consequences. The technology itself is a key concern. This is a gene therapy using synthetic mRNA. It hijacks our cells to produce the toxic spike protein with no off switch, provoking a sustained immune attack on our own bodies. Contrary to the stays in the arm claim, the lipid nanoparticles travel throughout the body, accumulating in vital organs. This is linked to severe adverse events, notably myocarditis in the young. Independent scientists have found shocking contaminants in the vials, including DNA plasmids and an undeclared SV40 promoter in the Pfizer injections, a known cancer risk. So far, over 20 cancer-causing mechanisms of these injections have been identified. Recent evidence suggests this contamination can integrate in our human genome with unknown consequences for us and even worse for future generations. The data is alarming. Official databases like WCH of WHO and the European Ultravigilance hold millions of serious injuries reports with a known underreporting bias. Peer-reviewed studies show 1 in 500 severe injury rate, a 300% increase in cardiac death among the young, an alarming rise in turbocancers, and a steep decline on fertility since 2021. In conclusion, these injections were inadequately tested, built on a flawed and unpredictable technology, and have caused widespread harm. The call to action is clear. Reject further boosters, demand autopsies for sudden death, share these facts for true informed consent. We need a moratorium today. The World Council for Health stands for a better way. Thank you.